Hey there, I am here with a helpful tip to include into your beauty routine to help you with healthier hair and more hair growth. So I'm sharing one of my secret weapons for hair growth, and it adds a little relaxation to your life as well. So I'm talking about scalp massage. So this little guy right here, it has these little gentle silicone nubbies that work wonders to stimulate blood flow to your scalp. And I've said it before, but I'll say it again. You need a healthy scalp in order to have healthy hair. So think of it like a garden. The richer and healthier and more nourished the soil, the stronger the plants. So I like to use this little guy before I go to bed every night because as well as increasing blood flow, it definitely helps to relax me. And I also use it before I head into the shower to again increase blood flow before I do my shampoo and conditioner. So I start with these little gentle circular motions all across my scalp. And it's kind of like a little mini spa session for your hair roots. So increases blood flow and feels amazing. And then after I go around my scalp with all of these circular motions, I add a little bit more pressure with the massager on key areas like behind my ears or along my hairline, especially on my temples. It is perfect for releasing any built up tension. And then after I finish doing this across my whole head, I will use the massager to sort of use gentle strokes, just gliding it across my scalp, but also smoothing my hair down a little so that I don't go to bed, with a crazy messed up lion's mane. So this not only stimulates the growth, but it also feels amazing. So be sure to incorporate these techniques of scalp massage into your daily routine, and believe me, your hair will thank you. And if you have any questions or need help finding specific products that are tailored to your hair type, just drop me a DM and we can chat about boosting your hair game. And as far as these little massagers, well, all of my new VIP hair customers, you guys get one of these when you join me. It's just a little perk for being one of my VIP customers and letting me be your hair care fairy and guide you on a healthy hair journey. And if you don't, I'm sure you can find them on Amazon as well.